Welcome to Quarter Zip Jordy's How to Teach a Ninja How to Tie a Tie. So, Quarter Zip Jordy's How to Teach a Ninja How to Tie a Tie. So you got a tie, right? Such as this, right? You see that? That is a tie. Say it with me. Tie. Now, you're finna pull it over here. Make sure that you're not too low or you're not too much. I need you to stay focused. Stop looking at Sharonda. Stay focused. You're gonna make sure it's at a good length, right? I would say this is about a good length, right? First off, you're gonna cross over. You're gonna make sure you hold it tight, like this, right? Y'all see that? Like this. You're gonna come over. You're gonna flip over. And then you're gonna flip back over until you get like this little knot right here, right? Cool. So once you get to this part, right, you pull up. Make sure you flap it over. When you get to this point, take this part. You're gonna come here and you're gonna find a little slit in the, but make sure it's not at the back. It'll be a slit that'll go towards the front. So then you'll push it through and then you'll pull it through. And then it should make a mini, it should make a mini knot like this, right? You're gonna pull up, you're gonna hold this down, and you're gonna push this up. Then you're going to make sure you take this back part. Take this back part, put it in the back of your tie back holder. So now, move, Doja, move. Writing this down for my future husband, thank you. Now look at it, and you got a tie. Quarter Zip Jordy taught a ninja how to tie a tie. When getting out of it, last tip, if you don't want to undo it fully, you can pull the right side. Usually that's when you know you did it right. When the back right here is on the right side, you pull it up, it'll loosen, right? So you see how it's going down as you're pulling it up, then you'll just take it off. Quarter Zip Jordy taught a ninja how to take off a tie. That's all I'm saying. Did y'all get that?